Hello viewers, hope you all are doing good. I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel and you are listening to the host, that is me, Sushil Shalot. Well, what is this in this video? What if the password is forgotten for an Excel file? Well, many times we do set up passwords for an Excel file which protects it from getting edited by a wrong person or at wrong times, or when it is not intended to be edited. It's better to lock it with a password. Well, what happens if this password is lost, forgotten, or somewhere mislaid? Can we recover it? Well, it's quite difficult to recover a password and may not be possible always. So, what is the solution to this? So, before we go on to the solution, let me tell you to watch this complete video and learn how to recover your Excel file. And that too, it can be made editable. So again, I say welcome to this video and let's get on to our main task of learning how to recover your Excel file. Friends, let me tell you, I never said recover your password. I am again repeating, this video will explain you how to recover your Excel file. So before we get on to the further task in this video, let me first password protect this file. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to the review tab and over here I'm going to choose protect sheet. Protect sheet requires a password to protect and unprotect it. So I'm going to put up a simple password something here and but natural I'm going to forget it. Well, it asks the password for reconfirmation and I have set a password now. Now if at all I have to edit anything here, will it allow me to edit it? So let me say I want to edit it and say when I double click it, it says the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet. You might be requested to enter the password. Quite natural. So if I go here and I click here, it says unprotect sheet and for unprotecting the sheet, it requires a password. And friends, I don't remember it and naturally you don't know it. So neither you can help me nor I can help myself by keying in the password here. So now what is the solution? The solution lies in this video. So friends, again I request you to watch this video from beginning to the end. Do not skip it. It is useful and worthy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save this file again. So this file is saved as parent.xls. I'll go to the folder where it has been saved. There it is. So it is on my desktop in a folder called clear password and the parent.xls file is what we are working on. So now what I'm going to do first thing is I'm going to edit the extension of this file and change it to zip, zip. When I say enter, it is going to certainly ask me a warning if I need to rename it. It says if you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? And I say yes. I have chosen yes. The file has got renamed to parent.zip. And what next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click onto this name of the file, go to the option of 7-zip. Either you use the 7-zip or zip application to unzip this file. So now I'm going to extract it to a folder called as parent. So as soon as I choose the option, it has got unzipped to a folder called parent. I'll go to this folder and open it. There now I have got the contents as 3 folders and 1 XML file. I'll go to the third folder, that is Excel. I'll open that folder and in that folder I see again 3 folders and 3 XML. The third folder here again is the worksheet and this folder is of my interest. I will open that worksheet folder and in that I find the sheet1.xml. Now friends, in my parent file or parent Excel file, I had only one worksheet. If you have multiple worksheets into that, corresponding XML files will be seen in this folder called worksheet. So here I see sheet1.xml. Had it been two sheets, it would have been sheet1.xml as well as sheet2.xml and so on and so forth. So friends, now what next I'm going to do is with this XML file, I'm going to right click onto it and I'm going to choose the option open with. In this option, I have a drop down menu of from which I'm going to choose WordPad. So there it is. I'm double clicking onto WordPad and this file has got opened up into the WordPad. Well, don't get distracted or disturbed with all this data what you are seeing on your screen in this file. Don't even bother to touch anything. The next thing what you do is go to Control F, that is the find function or the find command in WordPad. And what to find now? I'm going to find out the text sheet protection. There it is. I'm going to say find next, and there it is. I see highlighted in the blue color. Now be careful, don't touch anything else than what I am showing you right now. So from this open bracket just before the sheet protection, select everything till the bracket closure comes into the picture. So there it is. I see the bracket closure here. I'm going to select only this portion. I'm repeatedly showing you so that you do not make a mistake over here. So what I have done is I have chosen the open parenthesis, sorry, the close parenthesis as well open parenthesis before sheet protection, and then I have chosen the last character, that is front slash. So once this is chosen, for your sake, I'll just highlight it for a minute so that you don't miss out anything. So this is the portion that I'm going to choose, or rather I have highlighted it for getting chosen. So there it is. Now I'm choosing it, and once done, I am blindly going to delete this. I repeat, I am going to blindly delete this. So there it is. The portion of sheet protection that was a part of this file has been removed. For your sake, I'll undo it once again and I'll redo the deletion again. So there it is. Now you are clear what I have deleted. Friends, be careful, don't delete anything else apart from what I have demonstrated. Once it is done, say save. You can choose the icon that I have shown, or you can opt to press Ctrl plus S keys on your keyboard. So once this is saved, I'm going to close this. Now I see the last time this was saved was on 13th of August at 10:07 p.m. That is just a few seconds ago. So now what I'm going to do with this file is I am going to again go to the parent folder over here. Fine. So in this parent folder now again I see the three folders and one XML file. I'm going to choose all the four of them, right click onto that and say choose send to, and from this send to compress zip folder. So basically I'm creating a zip folder of all these three folders and XML file that was just in the folder parent. And now I'm going to name this as regain or recover. I'll say recover dot, I'm going to rename this as XLSX. XLSX. So friends, again, now it will ask me, and there it is on your screen. It is giving me a warning. Should I rename it? And I'm going to say yes. There it is. The file has got renamed, and this file now, as you can see, the icon here can demonstrate you that this is a Excel icon. Fine. So basically it has got converted into XLS file, and now I am going to open it. Fine friends, so here we are again. My original file has got opened, but now let me check if it is editable or not editable. So now I have clicked onto the cell here, and against welcome now I'm going to write welcome once again. So there has been a welcome twice in this session, and as you see it could got edited. I'm going to save this file over here, and there it is. I could save it also. So friends, now this XLS file is very much editable and it is no more password protected. So I'll go to the review tab and check here. It just gives me option to protect the sheet or protect the workbook. Well, so that means it is unprotected at this moment. So friends, now you understand, or you must have understood it by now, that the file which was protected with a password was not editable. it was renamed as .zip, then it was unzipped, then the content of that one of the XML files which was representing this sheet 1 worksheet from this file or this workbook was edited, the sheet protection portion of it was deleted, so the sheet protection was removed. Once done, it was saved. Then again I went to the parent folder which contained the XML file also. The complete parent folder I converted to .zip file, and while I converted to .zip, I renamed it to XLSX. So I have just repeated all the steps which I have demonstrated you in this video so that it will be a revision for you. I suggest you watch this video. Whatever are your learnings from this, make your own notes, jot it down on a paper so that you don't miss out a single step or you don't do a wrong step. Then do a practice on a couple of files before you go and touch your original files where you want to recover the Excel file so that you don't corrupt the file. With this caution and with these recommendations, I would say I have done with my video here. You must have liked it. Certainly it was useful. You will find it much and much worthy as and when you use it. Well, the value of the key is noted down or is understood by a person only when it is lost. So friends, don't lose your passwords. Don't forget your passwords. If at all you happen to forget it in time, this video will be handy for you. So keep this video at your discretion. Do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed the channel. Share this video with your friends and your colleagues or whoever you wish to share this knowledge with. Keep this knowledge very much with you for use when it is required, and keep watching my videos as ever. I'll be soon back with a new video. Till then, I wish you goodbye. Take care.